Bill. So, is an estimate written in stone price, or is an estimate an estimated price? Well, I guess it depends on the person that's getting the estimate and the person that's writing it. So, my opinion, an estimated price, if somebody asks a price, which everybody should, on a bigger job, anything like over $500 or so. So an estimated job, most people protect themselves with at least 20% markup, 20 or 30% more labor, just so they're not underestimating. But an estimate's an estimate. So I would always question an estimate. Have them kind of break it down, and which, if they're legit and they're not trying to rape you, and they're not using just a fixed price book like some people use, then an estimate's an estimate. So it's an estimated price based on material and unseen circumstances and estimated time. So if somebody comes out, gives you an estimate, kind of look at it, have them break it down. Unforeseen stuff is always a factor, but on small jobs, most professionals can get it pretty close. Now, of course, underestimated jobs, I think, is still just an estimate. So if say I pulled a toilet and you had a broken flange, cast iron flange to beat it off, I carry repair flanges, some pretty decent ones that are out there now, PVC. But now cast iron flange, it's kind of a whole nother process. You got to remove the lead, remove the old cast iron flange, get a new cast iron flange, and it depends on the depth and the size, and then you got to melt lead and pour it back. So that's kind of an unforeseen kind of thing, and that's something the homeowner would probably understand. But at the end of the job, say the feller estimated, girl, feller, whatever, estimated, half a day, whole day, and it went really easy, easier than I expected doing a job, then in my opinion, an estimate's an estimate. They should be able to justify an estimate, and on the hours later, labor estimated, and material. In my opinion, I do it fairly, so I charge the next amount per hour. My time starts when I'm getting the material for the job. Now, if I have the material on my truck, it's an automatic 20% markup. But my time starts generally when I'm heading your way, one-way travel time, and until my tools are put up for the next job. And it's based off a quarter hour. The first hour is a service call, and it's a quarter hour after that. So an estimate's an estimate. I believe I would just look at people's estimates, regardless if they're plumbers, heat and air guys, electricians, and have them justify the hours that was actually spent, including getting material and stuff. Now, I guess some inexperienced people, if they had to make several trips for material because they didn't they neglected to make a material list, or they come out and give an estimate, and it was a really big job. They overlooked a few things and had to go get stuff, and it took them an hour or two to go get it. Yeah, you probably have to work that out with them. But is an estimate an estimate? An estimate's an estimate. It's not written in stone. That's why they call it an estimate. All right, guys. Till next time.